Hey everyone, Tanner with Phone Skope. Today we're going to talk about the sweet spot on your optics. So with most spotting scopes and binoculars, we found that there is a sweet spot that gives you the maximum image size on your phone without having to use digital zoom. This can be found adjusting the scope's eye cup. This is what adjusts the eye relief and the magnification. With a adjustable magnification scope, you have glass in here that's moving back and forth. So it's moving closer to the camera's eyepiece or further away. That's when you need to adjust the eye cup. So twisting that in and out is going to affect the image that you're seeing in here. Once you have it adjusted and you're seeing a nice crisp circle, that is the optimum eye relief or optimum sweet spot, if you will. So once you've done that, and if you still have a little bit of a vignette or that black circle around the image, just pinch and zoom a little bit. In most cases, you can get rid of it with 1.4 to 1.5x of digital zoom. This isn't going to affect the image quality that much. It's still very readable, still a very nice image. It is going to affect it if you're getting up into the 3-4x digital zoom. If you have questions about finding your spotting scope eyepiece sweet spot, drop us a line, support@phoneskope.com, or give us a call, 800-790-4480. Thanks for watching.